Carlo is twice as old as his daughter, Mia. In 5 years, the sum of their ages will be 55 years. The question: how old is Carlos now? 5, 15, 30, 32, and 37. Anyway, guys, welcome back to Pinoy Math. This is McCoy, a math content creator. Now, if you know the answer, please comment first your answer po doon sa comment section area para malaman natin guys kung tama bang sagot nyo. But if you don't know the answer, continue to watch this video para malaman nyo paano ba sagutin itong mga age problem. And if wala po kayong reviewer dyan, click the yellow basket. We have reviewer there, updated at may sagot na. Now guys, let's go back to answer this question. So we need to answer this. Let me read for you the question first. Carlo is twice as old as his daughter, Mia. In 5 years, the sum of their ages will be 55 years. How old is Carlo now? First muna, hanapin natin dyan yung mga significant or the mga labels. Si Carlo daw is twice as old as his daughter. So, first step natin guys, let Mia age now is X because we don't know, hindi man naka-specific dyan yung age ni Mia. Pero si Carlos, not Carlo, pero Carlos, is twice daw po, twice as old as his daughter. Kaya nakalagay dyan, 2X. Kung X lang muna kay Mia, so twice as old yung edad naman ng kanyang father. Okay? Now, the second one, in 5 years, ibig po sabihin in 5 years, yung age po nila ngayon, kasi in 5 in the future, you need to add ng 5 years from the present age. So, nakalagay dyan kay Mia, from present age na X, nilagyan niya ng plus 5. Saka yung kay 2X naman po na present, lagyan ng plus because in 5 years. Okay? Now, meron po dyan. Sabi siya, in 5 years, the sum of their age will be 55. So, ibig sabihin guys, itong dalawa pong ating X plus 5 plus 2X5, kailangan nyo muna siya i-add together. So, ang tsura po niyan, ganyan po. Their age sum will be like this. So, X plus 5, kasi sum daw po, and 2X plus 5, the equivalent for this one is 3X plus 10. Now, kung yung dalawang age po daw nila, pinagsabay, ang result po lahat niyan po, it is what? It is 55. Okay? Balikan natin, yan po, 55 po lahat kung ipagsabay po yung dalawang age nila. So, we have formula for this. 3X plus 10 is equal to 55. We need to find what is the value of X para doon malaman natin kung ano ba muna ang age ni Mia. So, 3X plus 10. So, yung 10 dyan, you need to not transpose, but you need to answer this one, ilipat sa kabila. So, 55 subtract by 10. Tapos, 55 minus 10, the answer for this one is 45. But the problem is this, we need to find what is the X. May 3 pa kasi po sa gilid niya. So, gagawin mo dyan, para mawala po yung 3, you have to divide it by 3, not only po sa 3x, but also po sa kabila ng 45 para balance. So, cancel po yung 3 dyan at cancel sa baba. So, maiwan na lang po dyan po is x, then 45, you divide by 3, it is 15. Kanina, si Mia lang po ang may x. Okay? So, ibig sabihin guys, si Mia po dyan, it is what? Si Mia po dito, it is 15. Ang tanong po, si Carlos po, yung papa niya, ano pong age? So, kung 15 is X, so, yung katabi kasi ni Carlos na may 2X twice as old as daughter, so yung 2, yung X mo dyan, papalitan mo ng 15 kasi yung value po ng X, 15. So, ibig po sabihin, the answer, that is 30. Ibig po sabihin, guys, ang age po ng father po ni Mia, which is Carlos, it is 30. Okay po? Now guys, kung nakuha nyo yan sa mga nakatama po sagot, congratulations. Sa mga hindi man po, at least you learn so much about this. Now let's have this analyzation or evaluation rather. Anna is 3 times as old as his son, Ben. In 4 years, the sum of their ages will be 52 years. How old is Anna now? 13, 23, 30, 43, or 53? God bless and good luck.